A forest habitat is made up of a tall tree and is a home of many wild animals and squirrel
Malam Magawata.
And a wild animal.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
A wild animal. A forest habitat is made up of a tall tree.
Malam Magawata, you don't tell me say be native doctor before now. Because this is why they talk be like incantation. The type where they do if they want to do jazz to take keep person.
Okay. Why the name of what I do this one than Allah? Why this one come my life? Somebody Allah.
Now I come now your life repair.
Okay.
You know, come animal
a forest and animal a forest.
Animal for a village now head that they take waka. You turn people upside down, turn book upside down. They don't deceive who here say they read now.
Okay, mistake. It's a mistake.
No, not any mistake.
It's a mistake.
Hey. Thank God say you no be Yoruba. They will call that your type. If they're born, then they call Agbaya.
See, then Allah dan you see, I don't want to talk to you again for inside this compound. I don't want to talk to you because I don't want somebody that would advise my situation. I don't want somebody that would advise my situation.
Which language be that?
I speak English, Queen's English.
This one, even the slave for that place, not go speak this English, not to talk of the Queen.
That is your problem. You see, that is why this morning, because of the kind of vexation that I have for you, Sheta, this morning I wake up with an animal. So that I want to see the most dangerous animal and let the animal, I read waiting the animal go how dangerous it be. So that I will use the same dangerous, I will use them to deal with you.